some Among Us Valentine's Day boxes, and you can make these on your own. I've got a link, and you can even buy them off of a link on the site. But they're not, everyone knows they're not complete unless you kind of pick your color and you accessorize them. So I've got some of my Among Us experts. These are my, they like to play this game a lot. So we're just going to ask them what they like to play and what kind of colors and accessories they do. So Gideon, we'll start with you. What do you like to do?
I like to use the red accessory, and I have the mask.
You like the mask? The hockey mask?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, yeah, cool, all right. Hudson?
I don't really care what I get to play with, but if I had to choose, I like to put like the little guy on top of mine, and the colors, I really just like to play as black or white.
Black or white. All right, okay, great. Reese?
Lime and elf hat and some pants.
I'm sorry, what? Blind? You like them blind?
Lime.
Lime. Okay, lime with black checkered pants.
With an elf hat.
Okay, elf hat with pants. Lime. All right, order up. All right, Harper?
I like playing pink with the cowboy hat.
Pink with the cowboy hat. Okay, cool. So I think these are all doable. So I'm going to play around and make some of these, and we'll come back and see how I did and see if they are recognizable and they fit the bill. So I'll start working on those. Pink, red, and white. I need lime. So these are about the best colors I can think that are lime. I'll probably grab this one. But yeah, we'll spray it on and we'll see what it's like. I think that'll probably do. So this is the elf hat that I've been working on. I think it's okay. I think it's turning out. So I haven't glued anything down yet. What it's going to look like is this. Once it's all folded down, and then this is going to fold down like that. So again, this was my like prototype piece. So I'll take it apart and redo it a little nicer. See, I've got all these adjustments here that I need to make in the blue. And so I put that onto this template, and I'm going to recut it out and then make the hat. I think I've got this worked out. I put a little fold underneath, so it gives it a little band there. So when it's glued up, it's gonna have a little pointy tip that folds down. So I think it looks pretty good. So now I've just got to assemble it or glue it all together, but I think it's what I want it to be. I think it's a work of art, so I think it's time to paint. Here is your guy, and here's his little elf hat. And what do you think? I haven't painted the pants on yet, that's next.
He's
but I just
yellow.
You don't think it's lime?
This is not lime, it's yellow.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, let me think about that. I'm just spraying this down with cardboard on either side to get me that line, and you'll see here that it's giving me those lines for the belt and the top of the shirt and the belt. Here he is. What do you think?
Good.
He was a pain in the butt to paint all the pants and stuff on. I even put the little doodad on the side. He's got a little elf hat. Oh, there you go. I call him 50 Shades of Green because he had a lot of green on him. A lot of different green. But yeah, definitely the hardest one painting the pants on. But it turned out pretty well. The hockey mask guy, I just cut a piece out. I think this one will be pretty simple and just go over the face like this. But for depth, I did a second one, and I'll probably just glue them together and put it over. I'm going to get some actual bands to go around, but it should be pretty simple. Got some stretchy strap. I'm going to put it around here and attach that to it, and we'll do, and if you notice the picture, it has one over the top too. So here that I'll do it with. So just gonna hot glue it on onto here and get it going. Red crewmate with his mask. What do you think?
Awesome.
Boom. I'm working on the little guy that's on top of the head. So at first I was like, maybe like a little two-dimensional guy that'll sit up on top with his feet crossed, but no, I think I'll go with the three-dimensional. That'll be funner. So I made this little guy. So this guy is 50% the size of the regular one, but I need it so he's sitting on there. So I think I'm going to cut the legs open and open him up so that he'll sit on top. And I split his butt open, and I'm going to mount him up like here, like this. I'm thinking he'll kind of sit sideways there. So I think that'll look pretty good. So I got these little pieces here that I'm going to connect up so to keep that leg there. Got the glue. I'm going to put this in real quick. Like that. Keep it at 45 degree. Just put a clip on there, and that should glue it nicely. In order to keep this guy sitting on here, I put a couple of little tabs on the butt, and then I made a couple tab holes here. So I'm going to try to insert him into there, and there we go. All right, he's not going anywhere. Okay, I got this white crewmate with the little dude on top, and so he's kind of attached. He shouldn't go anywhere. But what do you think?
I like it. It's good.
Nice. Nailed it.
That's how I wanted it, yeah.
Working on the hat guy, and I basically just cut a piece off here, and I thought it'd be nice if we could just sit on the head. And so I cut it, and then I'll just give it a fold here. And so I'm going to attach that on to put a piece, attach it, and then I'll build up the rest of the hat and cut it around. But so yeah, I glued that on, a little piece on the top so it stays. And so I'm folding these up, and I think I'm going to attach a piece across the top. I've built this and connected it on. I'll glue it on here, but just filling this one out, if that's cowboy enough, or is that too sombrero? You know, cardboard's always gonna be a little boxy, but does that speak cowboy, or does it look weird? Here we go, pink with cowboy hat. What do you think?
It looks like a farmer.
What? It looks like a farmer? I was worried that it might be too much like a sombrero.
It does.
Muy plantistinco borracho.
Okay, we'll fix it. Redoing the cowboy hat. So I'm going with it's a higher up side, so it's gonna look something like this. Which I think it's more cowboy. We'll see. I always feel weird about painting cardboard brown. It's already brown, but I just feel like it needs to happen. Hat, cowboy hat round 2. What do you think? Oh no, this one, not this one. This one. That was the first one.
It looks like a top hat.
Yeah.
Uncle Sam, and they wear those big freaking.
I was more worried about the hello, my darling.
Hello, my baby. Hello, my honey.
Let me see what I can do here. Third time on the cowboy hat. Let's see if we get it right this time. This time I'm angling a little bit more domey than before, and then I'm wrapping this around, and hopefully it's gonna give you that like cowboy funnel look. 3. Okay, did a lot of work on this one, and cowboy hat. Pink crewmate, cowboy hat. How we doing? We got the brim folded up a little bit here, and tried to go for that like kind of cowboy, the curve in there. Better? Mm-hmm. Acceptable?
All right, we'll go with it. I'll take that as a big win.
Okay, we got it done finally after days and days. I think they're a pretty big hit, right, Reese?
Yeah.
You're wearing your outfits. Okay. I guess the last thing is who's the imposter, right?
Fine.
Boy.
These things are impossible to get up. Aren't hard to open at all.